Hello, this is Dr. Parag Amin. In this video, we are going to look at how do we apply the AIDA model. So what is AIDA? AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire and action. So A stands for attention, I stands for interest, D stands for desire and A stands for action. So what are the different things that we do in selling? While interacting with a customer or while interacting with a prospect, we may argue with him, we may cajole him, we may counsel him, we may try to convince him, we try to inform him, we try to persuade him, we try to solve his problems, we try to understand his problems, we try to provide a solution for his problems, we try to guide him, we try to act as a facilitator, we try to negotiate. These are some of the things that a salesperson does while he interacts with his prospect in the process of selling. Now let us talk about each of these words. Let's first talk about attention. What is attention? Attention is about everything that you do to attract the attention of your prospect towards your product or towards your service or towards your brand or towards your company. So what are some of the things that we do to attract attention? We probably can run an awareness campaign. We can run maybe a campaign in which we distribute free samples or we give some free demonstrations of our product. We can deliver some kind of specific marketing messages. We can run some kind of promotional campaigns on social media. So there are a lot of such things that organizations do to attract the attention of their prospect towards them. So this is the first step in the AIDA model. Having got the attention of your customer or your prospect towards your product or service, the next thing to do is to get them interested. There are a lot of ways and means by which you can get them interested. Can you think of some such ways? Can you think of all those things that actually can get your prospect interested? Would telling a story help? Do you think if you showcase a testimonial of one of your customers, would the prospect get interested? Can you take advantage of moment marketing to drive home your message and get your prospect interested? Or do you think you would like to run a certain advertisement or a certain advertising campaign to pass a certain message to your customer or to your prospect that would get him interested? There are several things that you can do to get the prospect or the customer interested. Remember, marketing is a creative field and there is no limitation on how much creatively can you think to get your prospect interested. Now that I've got my prospect interested in my product or my service, the next thing I do is to invoke a desire in that prospect. This is the next step in the selling process. What can I do to invoke a desire? Would discount work? What if I give some kind of offers? What if I present reviews of some of my customers to my prospect? What if I offer some kind of club memberships to my prospect? Would it help? It may. So there are several ways in which I can invoke a desire in my prospect. The last step in the AIDA model is action. The prospect is interested. You have invoked the desire in that prospect and the prospect is now ready to be taken to the final step, which is the action. As they say, hit when the iron is hot, and this is that time. Can you think about something that will get that prospect to buy, to take a buying decision? Can you think about the concerns that that prospect may be having, which, if you solve, will help the prospect to take a buying decision? Could it be related to that extra discount? Or could it be about payment terms? Can throwing in maybe a club membership or a membership to the loyalty program help? These and many other acts can actually get your prospect to take a buying decision. This is what we mean by actionating the entire sales.